Alright guys, this is an unboxing but also a review because I already had these. So I had a total of 6 boxes. Out of the 6, only 2 of them failed this year. So 2 of them, that means 2 of these strings of lights, and only half of them didn't work, which means one of these things burned out. I did try to identify which one it was, but that didn't work out, so I just said, okay, maybe it's just not working, and I went to claim the warranty. So claiming the warranty is really good. Just go with the receipt. I also had the box. I kept the box just in case with the lights. Went over there, exchange, and that was it. It does have a 5-year exchange warranty. So that's why I like them. So this is an unboxing and review since I already had these. So once you open up the box, you have some paperwork. You also get this, by the way. So it does have a fuse, an extra fuse that comes with it, and 2 extra lights. But again, because of the warranty, the 5-year one, I don't think you guys will be using that stuff. Anyways, here are the lights. Let's just untie them. Now the lights themselves are pretty small, but they're not tiny. And each one of them has a little lock here on the side. So you can't just lift it up. You have to unlock it by lifting this up. And then just, there you go. You take out the light. I do have a separate video about how to do that, but just letting you know that that's how easy it is. And right here, not on this side, on this side, let me just show you where the fuse is at, so you guys get a good idea of that. So that's on this side. You guys will be able to see the fuse if you take this out. So the fuse will be in there. So if that ever goes out, that means the whole thing goes out, the fuse will be there. But these are the lights. Once again, these are the lights. All right, so plugged in, this is how they look like. Obviously on camera, it looks different than in real life, but you can kind of see how they look like. And they are quite small. They're not huge, but I like these. And I will show you a shot of how it looks on my tree. I don't have that many on my tree, so it doesn't look the greatest thing in the world, but I'll show you how that looks on my tree in just a second. But on that, I would recommend these. Exchange warranty works just fine. As far as I know, I'm not sure because I buy an additional one every year. So I'm pretty sure the oldest ones are the ones that broke in the end. I'm assuming. So again, it's been, since the very first ones that I got, it's been at least 4 years for that. So that's a good amount of time. And I also want to highlight that you know where you plug it in, you do have a plug there, so you could plug other stuff as well. Plus on the other end, you have this. So you can keep plugging more and more lights to this. But anyways, as far as this video goes, we're all done. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.